Yo, what's up, Ghana? What's up, world? Yeah, I go by the name Yalbek, an Afrobeat composer, singer, and songwriter from Ghana. So, yeah, seeing me or watching me right now, I'm here to talk about Lamont EP by my colleague Shade. So, yo, stay tuned. There's more to talk about. Yeah, like I would say, Shade is an amazing talent. Not being so long in the scenes, but he's doing marvelously good. And I would say, yeah, I love working with him because we met in the studio a couple of times, and his energy and drive towards the work is super amazing. So I would say, yeah, it's always good to work with Shade in the studios, on video shoots and everything. He's super interesting. I love being silent on stuff like that because I always want the work to talk for itself. So I want to tell Ghanaians to watch out for Lamont EP. I have gone on there with Shade. Okay, Shade had me on the song actually. It's gone. And yo, watch out for the song. I just want to keep quiet for you guys to anticipate so that you can stream the EP, get it on every digital platform. Okay, I had a chance to listen to a couple of numbers on the EP, and yo, trust me, the ones I listened, due to time factor, I couldn't listen the whole EP. And that one, I mean, if it happens like that, you see how I'm biased. Like, I've heard the whole thing. So yeah, he played me just a couple, and trust me, all I heard was fire. So you guys should just keep anticipating for greatness, great records only, no ringtones. So I'll tell Ghanaians to keep supporting the boys, the new generation. We are doing awesome, and you guys should keep your support and love coming in. And support Shade on his Lamont EP. I'm on it as well. So if you love your back, you got to love Shade. Go. Yeah. Take care to my Kia Sorento. I go there for you.